Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make a really easy fruit bowl. It's actually pretty healthy. So the first thing you want is just some mixed frozen fruit. This one has strawberries, pineapple, strawberries, peaches, and mango. And then there's actually one at Smart & Final. This I got from Walmart, but Smart & Final has one that's got melons, and I like that one a lot. So just some frozen fruit. And then you want some cottage cheese. This is the 2% low-fat cottage cheese. You want some honey. I actually got this cute little bottle at the 99-cent store. And then you want some granola, whatever kind of granola you like. This one is actually oats and honey granola. So that's all you need. And then I'm going to go ahead and make multiple servings. I don't want just one because I want to be able to store a couple in the refrigerator for maybe later. So let's go ahead and get started. So this isn't a recipe that you actually need to measure it out. Just find some bowls that are kind of proportionate to what you might like to eat. These are actually kind of big, but whatever you like. So then you're going to go ahead and just put a layer of your mixed fruit. So then if you find that maybe one has more fruit, mangoes or however you like, you can always mix them around. But just a little bit of fruit, that's fine. And then you want to go ahead and you want to layer, your next layer is going to be your cottage cheese. Okay, and I'm not a real big fan of cottage cheese. In this dish, I really like it, but in most dishes, just have it alone, I don't really care for it. So I'm just going to put a thin layer. Like I said, I'm not a big fan, so I don't want to put a whole bunch, but I do want to kind of cover it up. Again, don't worry about measuring unless you're worried about calories. So, but like I said, overall, it's a pretty healthy meal. So if it's going to sustain you for a longer period of time, it's worth those extra calories. Okay. All right, that looks good. And then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add my granola. Again, just whatever you feel comfortable with. If you don't want a whole bunch of granola because you're trying to save on the calories, then just sprinkle enough. I like that extra crunch, so just sprinkle, whatever makes you happy. Oops. Okay, I think that looks, I am kind of a granola person, so I add a little bit extra. And I can always add more later. And then the next thing that you want to do is just go ahead and add some of your honey. Now, honey actually is pretty healthy. So I'm just I don't want to get carried away, but I do want to add just a little bit of it there to give it a little bit of extra taste. Okay. And there you go. All set. So super easy. Actually, it looks really delicious too. And I'm going to go enjoy now. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.